Hello there. So today I just received my DJI Neo. Actually, I got it a few minutes ago. Came in the mail. And I didn't pay $199 for this. I ended up paying $250 because I couldn't find it anywhere on Amazon. And, well, I had $365 credit in there, so I bought this for $250, and I got the RCN3 remote controller for $129, $130, whatever, and it came with this 64-bit gigabyte SD card and this landing pad, which is quite heavy. And I bought it from this place on Amazon, Autorama.com. I'm surprised on how small this is. Wow. Well, let's unbox it. I need that. Let's unbox it and compare it to the side by side to the Tiny Hawk 2 and the Tiny Hawk 3 Freestyle. Unbelievable. I won't show you what's inside. You already know what's in here. I'm pretty sure of it. There's plenty of videos out there doing unboxing. I don't like doing unboxings. Oh, this is a nice thick bag. I think I'm going to keep it. Wow, my new buddy. Hey, little buddy, how you doing? Little cutie. Oh, nice little drone. Look at that. Oh, look at that. All right, let's do some comparison. All right, where's my Tiny? All right, we're gonna try the Tiny Hawk 2. Oh, I upgraded. Oh boy, did I upgrade right there. Look at that little beauty. All right, let's see what it looks like. Wait a minute. Look at that. Oh man, I say it's about. Yeah, I want to say double, but I'll say 3 times bigger than the Tiny Hawk. Tiny Hawk 2. Let's try. Let's see what the Tiny Hawk 3 Freestyle looks like next to it. Interesting. Wow. I'm shocked. I mean, the Neo is bigger than the Tiny Hawk 3 Freestyle, but I'm shocked on how close the comparison of the sizes are. Nice. Oh, so I'm gonna apply that later on, and I'm gonna videotape it, add it to this video. First, this is my first landing pad, by the way. My first landing pad. I normally use a piece of wood. Oh, mind you, I just started flying this year. It smells good. It smells like a brand new swimming pool, kids pool. Oh, nice little bag. You know what? I needed a landing pad. Yeah. Oh. That's nice. Can you see that? Well, I guess I'll just do this. Now that I have a landing pad. My first landing pad. That's cool. Oh man, I got a landing pad. How about that? Oh, all right. Oh, I know what I want to compare this one to while I'm filming. Give me a second. Well, give me a minute. 25 seconds. Alrighty. I want to compare the sizes between the 4K. You see that? The 4K mini and that. Oh yeah, let's do this. All right. So this is the way I keep my little buddy. Whoa. Oh. Wait a minute. Ah, look at that. Huh. Oh, welcome to the family, Neo. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah. And I just can't hide it. No, 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 no. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Oh, man, this is beautiful. It smells so good. Interesting. Huh. Well, that's all I just wanted to show you for now. Look at that. Huh. Wow. So, anyhow, you already know what this looks like. I don't need to open that one up. There you go. And I'm just admiring it right now. And I'm a little speechless because I just ordered it yesterday. And this came in at 4 o'clock in the morning. And this just came in like about 3 o'clock. Right now it's 3:30. This came in like around 3 o'clock. And again, I got the Neo, I got the landing pad, and the 64-bit gigabyte of SD card for $250. Do I think it was worth it? Nah, I like the pad. I'm glad I got a pad. I mean, I could have made one myself, but at least it folds up and I can take it different places with a bag and so on and so forth. And I got my Neo. I'm not going to complain. And I got this SD card. Normally I get my SD cards from Amazon, pay $10, $15 for them. And I'm assuming this is like $10, $15. I really don't know. But I got my Neo. I'm going to fly it. I think I'm going to fly it tomorrow because I gotta study. I got a few assignments I got to catch up on in school. The reason why I got the Neo is because I got tired of working on these things. You know, I got the Tiny Hawk 3 and I got like 5 of these Tiny Hawk 2s. And to be honest with you, so far this is the only one that works right now. So I got tired of fixing these on Better Flight, and just wasting a lot of time that I could spend in school on my assignments, you know. But that's why I got this right here, and because I like to fly FPV. I may have the controller right now, the NC3 controller, but I'm eventually going to get the FPV goggles for this, and the other controller. That's I love flying FPV. I really I picked up a drone one day, put on the goggles, and instantly fell in love. So I'll be making more videos of my learning experience. Ooh, I didn't realize that screw was loose. My learning experience in being the beginner drone guy. Yeah. Anyhow, thanks for watching.